Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Johnson. I am so happy to do this look for you guys. This is a Ankara mask inspired makeup look, and as you can see, I'm just going on straight to my brows, defining it with my pencil from Eversheen, and also using my concealer and foundation by Maybelline. The concealer is from LA Girl and I'm using it to define my brows. I'm using the same foundation color for the upper part of my brows so that my brow can just, go on smoothly with my skin at the upper area. And then next, I'm using my concealer again for my eyelids so that the colors that I put on there can stick and pop properly. And then I'm using my Huda Beauty palette. It is a remastered rose gold palette, and I'm using this burgundy color. It is super gorgeous. I'm using it as a transition for my eyes, and I'm just going to blend and go on straight to this black color from the same palette onto that burgundy color, and I'm just going to blend it all out. And then I'm using this orange from my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place for a further transition color. And then next is my concealer by LA Girl to cut my crease. As you can see, I just cut it a little, and I'm adding this white Jumbo pencil from NYX. It is very gorgeous, and it will help my yellow eyeshadow stick on properly and also pop. And then next, I'm also going to cut the crease again with my concealer so that I can just apply the next color. So I am just cutting it halfway and I'm blending it all out. So I'm applying orange from the Zulu palette and just making sure that I pat it on there gradually, so that it doesn't fall onto the yellow area. And you want to make sure that you take your time and just keep applying and applying and applying till you've applied a reasonable amount for the desired look you want to create. And then I'm using the same burgundy from the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm just brushing it on to my crease now in the center of my eyelid, and I'm just making sure that I blend the color into the orange and keep blending. You don't want to stop blending. So I'm applying black to contour so that you can also meet that black at the upper part of the cut. And I'm just going to make sure that I blend properly. You don't want anything to look like it's not blended well. And I'm using my LA color eyeliner, and I'm using it to line my eyes, and I'm going to be using it for the other eye as well. So I'm just defining that cut properly. That's the eyeliner with my concealer, cleaning it up, and then applying my mascara by Maybelline. Next is my glitters, and I'm using the Nye Gitter Glue. It broke, so I had to empty it into that container, and then I'm applying my foundation on that area of my face. As you can see, it's a Maybelline foundation. I'm not applying foundation all over my face because I'm going to be wearing mask from my nose down. So you just want to make sure that you blend it all out properly. And I'm using my concealer from LA Girl, and also making sure that I define that eyeliner properly, and I'm blending it all out. So I'm using Black Opal foundation in Ankara for my contoured area, and I'm blending the contour, just blending it in to smash the side of my head and my nose as well. And then I'm applying my Sacha Butter Cosmetic Powder for my under eyes, my nose, my forehead, and I'm just going to blend it all out. Then I'm using my eye pencil from Secrets. I'm using it for my waterline and just apply that black color. I really love a jet black eyeliner. And I'm also applying orange to blend the black out, and some yellow. So I'm applying the glitter glue and applying my glitters under my eyeliner for some extra drama. And I'm applying my lashes. And there we go, our mask is almost on. I just want to make sure that I put my highlighter, and so that I can glow, you know, through the mask. I'm really loving this look. I hope you love it as well, and you can, you know, slay out there even when you have your mask on. Mask it all, guys. It's the season, it's what's happening, and we just have to continue and trust God that this will come to an end and life will go on as usual. But nevertheless, just, you know, love God, stick with Him. Jesus loves you, and I love you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.